Hi there everyone, and welcome to the ukestuff channel. And this is sort of a quick unboxing video of something that I've wanted to get for a while. Long story made short, over the last couple of years I've amassed some Target gift cards, and I knew that Target carried this Hal Leonard complete Learn to Play Ukulele Kit. And I will do a full review of this instrument later, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing with it and let you see what you get. This could be tempting for someone that had a son or daughter that wanted to learn ukulele, or an adult that wanted to learn how to play ukulele. They might see this on the shelf at Target and think, oh, I should get that because I've always wanted to learn how to play. So let's see what kind of value it is. And you can see that it's put out by Hal Leonard. There's the Hal Leonard logo right there. And it tells you that you get a top quality 4-string ukulele. These have a sale price here at $39.99. So, you know, top quality, well, we'll find out. A beginning method book and audio and video access included, which probably means online, which is fine. All right, so let's take a look and see what we got in here. All right, so you open up the box and there's a second box. So here's the second box. In here you have a flyer for hundreds of ukulele songbooks from Hal Leonard, and also download sheet music from sheetmusicdirect.us. Here is a code. I won't show you the code, but it's a learn how to play ukulele video access. And then you get this book as well. Let's see, book is $4.99, audio is $6, package is $10.99. And I can take a look at that resource later and tell you what I think of that, but that's what you get. And then you get this little ukulele. It's a soprano, feels almost like a sopranissimo. It's that small. And opening it up, definitely a laminate. Fret ends aren't sharp, which is surprising. Looking on the inside, there's wood kerfing. I still have flashbacks to the Rise ukulele, and nowhere near in tune. It does come with metal tuners. It's painted, and you can hear, I can't remember what the name of those things are. Fair Rules comes to mind, but these little plastic covers are what you hear rattling. Sometimes if you wind the strings right, the strings will hold those down so they don't rattle, but they're loose, especially on a couple of these strings, but hopefully that will get fixed. All right, it took a lot of winding. As you can look at that E string up here and how high it's winding up with the amount of, not settled anywhere near yet. What I'm noticing is, first of all, the harmonics are in the right spot. 7th fret. Hard to get the 5th out. And the action isn't terrible. You know, you would think and perhaps worry that the action be terrible. The ends of the frets are painted, and again, we'll have a full review of this kit later. But yeah, I mean, the action probably could be lowered a little bit, and you can do that with this saddle. So it's a saddle that you can actually lower as well. Certainly inexpensive plywood. But the sound, if I hold it away from my body a little bit, it's actually got some pretty good tone. You can see some of the overspray in the sound hole, and I'm not sure how that even happens, because this is kind of a laminate. I don't know what that wood would be, but it has like a wood grain in it, so I don't think you have a layer of red underneath that. So that's kind of a weird overspray situation. Yeah, it is definitely, top quality is not what it is, but it's playable. It's playable, so it'll be fun to do a full review of this. But again, so what do you get if you buy one of these? You get an inexpensive ukulele that actually plays. So I'm going to give them credit for that. You get a lesson book, you get a card to take you to videos, and then some advertising material. So that's what you get for a $39.95 Learn How to Play kit from Hal Leonard. So watch in the future for a actual review of this kit, but I thought it'd be fun to just record it as I'm opening it for the first time. Actually, the neck profile is pretty comfortable too. Yeah, it's just painted, but it's a pretty comfortable profile neck. I'm sure that's a really 34 millimeter nut up there, and the nut isn't quite centered. If you can see, the nut sticks out. Maybe I'll do it this way. It'll look easier to see that way. You can see the nut sticking out up there, and it's a little bit short over there. So this nut probably needs to be popped off. Loosen the strings, pop the nut off, and re-glue it so that it's actually even with the fretboard. But then it'd be right. So that's something that's actually salvageable, but it's something that you shouldn't have to do. But that's really the biggest technical flaw, and obviously as a painted, inexpensive painted ukulele. But hey, it's still, I've played far worse. So yeah, for a $39.95 kit, the Hal Leonard Learn to Play ukulele, it's a functional ukulele with a lesson book and things that you need to get started. It'd be nice if there was a tuner. It'd be nice if there was some kind of gig bag. I don't think you really want to use that as a gig bag. Yeah, so watch for a full review of this on the channel. It might be a while because there's quite a backlog of stuff, but it'll be coming. All right. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.